Hello, in this video we will have a look how you can work with libraries in DesignForms, how you can use selected library items and its properties in the script. First of all, we have to add some library to our dialog. I select required library in the menu on the left side and double click to edit my dialog. Typical library item is complex structure with a lot of properties. As you can see here, cross-section have several geometric properties. It has set of calculated characteristics like area, moment of inertia, and so on. It has set of points which define cross-section outline, and so on and so on. For this reason, it's not possible to work directly with the selected item itself. It have to be saved somewhere. DesignForms use so-called I/O input-output structure for this purpose. You can view the content of I/O structure opening this viewer, which is available from main menu. So let's have a look. You can see that I/O structure is tree-like structure with nodes, and each node contain set of properties or subnodes. In this particular case, we have a node CS as a cross-section, and its content is produced by the cross-section library. So you can see here we have set of points defining the outline. We have geometry characteristics of the cross-section, and we have a calculated characteristics like area and so on. So how can we use this in our script? It's pretty straightforward. If you want, for example, cross-section area, you simply click right mouse button and copy the complete path to the clipboard. So let's do it and paste it to our script. You can see that the path consists of each node up to the property. So let's assign it to numeric variable a, click refresh button, and you can see that the cross-section area is assigned to variable a. Let's add physical units, square millimeters. So the selected cross-section have 2600 square millimeters area. Now let's discuss about this CS. The name of this node is defined by property of the library. You can see it on the right side here. It's called target IO node. Imagine that you want to work with two steel cross-section libraries. For example, you have a calculation which need cross-section of the column and of the girder. So you simply modify this target IO node to save the selected cross-section of a column and of the girder to appropriate node. So let's modify it to the column and add another steel section library, and this will be saved to the girder. And this will be, for example, IPE 180. Let's go back to the calculation, and you can see that IO is updated. Now we have two nodes. First one is the column, which holds selected cross-section of the column, HEP 240, and the node girder, which holds selected cross-section of the girder. Again, we can simply read the characteristics. copy to clipboard a of the girder, Control D for lower index, equals to paste it, and similarly area of the column, we will copy it from the IO viewer and paste to the script editor. Must not forget for the semicolon. Click refresh, and here we are. We have the area of the girder and the column. Let's add again physical unit, and you can see the area of each selected cross section. This way you are able to work with several libraries of the same type and save its selected value to different place, to different node of the IO, and read its property as necessary. Next time we will discuss how you can create your own library with own items, own categories, properties, and so on, and use it in your calculation.